Yes, everyone, you know what time it is. It's Ringo Vision. Come with me. 24-hour kitchen. Cooking with Ringo Vision people. We're here, Melmania, at the Exhibition Centre in Manchester. We travelled early hours of this morning. Sorry I weren't able to show you the whole preparation to the smoke. See what I want? The jerk chicken people. Yeah man, it's a vibe. And you know, so we're there. Yeah man, we've just been outside today, jerking, serving people from the next part of England. So you know, so we come from London, Manchester, we pass through Birmingham, picked up them side there people. Yeah man, it's a whole vibe. So let me show you what I want as well. Because big up all my YouTubers and big up everybody that's subscribed to the YouTube channel as well. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Alright, click that comment, click that subscribe button and hit up the comment section people. You know, so we are putting in the work. So I've got the shaping tray out because I've prepared some jerk chicken from off of the grill. You know, so we've got it here warming up. Alright. I've also got, you know, so I've been so busy today, I weren't able to even show you the whole start, the whole setup. But look, the steam veg's done. Finished. Last of the steam veg. Rice and peas, cellar. Yeah man. And you know, say it's done. That's the curry chicken. Yeah man, I'm not moving people, so let me show you what I want, car with there, you know. Let me take the camera and just show you what I want.
Well, live here at the Bowlers Exhibition Centre, part of the UK BKC.
Yes, people, go and check out the kennel, UK Bully. Good vibes, they supported us today. We got some jerk chicken from us. Yeah man, big them up as well, people. You know what time it is. Come on there, man. Look at that, people. Yeah, man. Champions there. Let me go and show you the medals, everyone. Yeah, man, it's a champion winner today. Good vibes. So as you can see, there's a lot of stalls in there. Everything's representing different type of kennels. Everyone's representing different kennels, different breeds, different XO bullies. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, 24-hour kitchen people, cooking with Ringo Vision. You know, so we're there, we're outside. Yeah, man, a good vibe. The general, yeah, they come support us and get our food today. Yeah, man, big them up as well. What's your kennel called?
Sheffield K9 Fertility Clinic.
You hear that, everyone? Sheffield.
Yeah, man. K9 Fertility Clinic.
Alright. Yeah, respect, yeah? I love. Beautiful dogs out, everyone. Look. Yeah, man. Bless up. Check them out on the Instagram as well, everyone. Alright. Bless. So, yeah. Today's event's been a good event still. We're outside, man. 24-hour kitchen. You know what time it is. It's been a vibe today. Yeah, man. Very different type of kennels out here. How you doing? You alright, yeah? So some big boys out.
Good boy, Diego.
Yeah.
Back here. Go see him, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Diego, come. Good boy. Wait. Good boy. Good. Diego. Good boy. Good boy. Good.
Well trained, isn't it?
Yeah, man. Gotta be a size of this dog like this. Good.
How old is he?
That's the owner, you know. I'm just there as a handler.
Oh, you're the handler?
Yeah, I'm just a handler.
How old is he? 2 in August. What's the name of your kennel?
LTR Kennels.
LTR
Kennels.
LTR Kennels. LTR Kennels people, yeah. You're on Instagram as well? Alright, yeah, you can check them out on Instagram, everyone. Nice one, yeah? Yeah, yeah. I'm a big daddy here, look. Monster. Yeah, bless.
Nice and steady. That's about the all-round lights. That's what. Oh, wonderful. Okay, who you go for?
Scotland, yeah? Bankies Bulls, everyone. Bankies Bulls, Bankies Bulls.
It's a bit like.
Yeah, so good vibe seat there. Back outside again. Yeah, man. Chicken there, so. But see everyone.